So there are two other possible routings in the FM matrix which we've not yet talked about. The first one, so we've got E modulating F right now. What happens if we add D into the mix? So D's just the regular sine wave. Where are we? Yeah, here we go. So you can see it's not got the complex timbre of the F carrier at the moment because it's not been modulated by anything. Let's just make it sound a little bit more like F in terms of the amplitude envelope. We can get E potentially to modulate D. So to do this, let's just go back to the operators. Just so we can hear a difference, let's just say pitch this up to, oh yeah, why not? Let's go for a fifth. Fifth up from F, so 1.5. Now if I want E to modulate the carrier D, and just click and drag this position, obviously if I do it here, then we're going to have D modulating E. So almost getting a bowed cello-like sound there, which is quite interesting. Alternatively, and this is another cool function, we can have D acting as a carrier, but also as a modulator to E, which is then modulating F. Now, there's a bit of cross-modulation going on here. If you crank these levels too high, you basically just end up getting white noise. But just subtle amounts can add some nice harmonics into the mix. Let's just get rid of some of these. So clicking and dragging down, let's just go back to our one carrier, one modulator. The final FM matrix routing position is that sits just above the operator. Now this allows for F to feed back into itself, and again values that are too high result in white noise or noise. But you can hear just a subtle amount adds a bit of edge to the sound. Bit of brightness. If we just have a look at that on the spectrum, oops, you see very quickly we get some extra brighter harmonics added.